Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would be able to get your shifter free to release the park safety switch, which you generally use the key in here and then it actuates so that you can put this into gear. But say you've lost the key, you need to tow it, you need to do whatever you need to do. The way to disengage this, if you're really skilled, you pop this cover here and you can get a screwdriver down in there and get it, but you have to have a super long screwdriver. If you don't have anything that long, what you need to do is you just need to pop this cover off, use your non-marring tool, and it's fairly simple. So you just needed to come that far so you can see down in there. And down in there there's a red switch. I've got it on a picture for you the best, but you're gonna look down there. If you use a flashlight or anything, you're gonna look down and you're gonna find it's a red switch. You just need to line that up right there. So you'll see a red switch in there that you can see it very well in the camera. But you're going to reach down in there, there's a red switch, you hit it, and now you'll be able to move your automatic shifter into the neutral position for towing it and to put it on a flat deck or whichever you need to do. And that's how you release it. And then of course if you take the thing back off, I mean of course you can still move through the gears, but once you go into park, it's locked back into park. That's how you release your park safety switch on a 2013 Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.